issue in contention about the national chairman, the BOT were here some few days ago, and we deliberated on the matter. They sought my opinion first to know what my thinking was about the crisis, and I told them the truth as far as I was concerned, and they took it with passion and also asked for recommendations, which I did. That is not for public, but that was done, and I hope that they will do justice to it so that our party can retain its position to take over power in 2023. And on the headlines from this day that I have splitted with Wike, I just came back from London with Wike this morning. We are friends. I still maintain my stand on what I said. I have not moved away from there, and I still sympathize with Wike for the injustices meted on him and our group. Politics is about interests. And where your interest is not protected, you have the right to protest. And I think that is what is happening. The party leadership have not been fair to Governor Wike based on the activities that took place during the convention and after the convention. They've not been able to deploy adequately the internal party conflict resolution mechanism to resolve those issues. And this is all that I'm saying. And I sympathize with him, and I still stand with him that let the leadership of the party at the national level do the same thing. In politics, nothing can be late. No matter how difficult it may seem, that if everybody bring down himself to the level of getting others who are aggrieved to understand, they will do that. And to say that some of us are happy with the injustices that have been meted, it is not right. I want to say that we remain committed to PDP, but we still want the right thing to be done so that together everybody will be carried along to work together.